we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ikasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni hakajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Nget yang nga opi kabakadu ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki kon sama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.